small ya. Too small.
Oke, kita lanjut.
Setting. Oke. Kita ulangin ya. Sekarang kita coba action. Lalu kita change ini
Apa?
Jadi C2
Oke, kita lanjut. Balik lagi kepada saya Novel Dipenarci. Di sini kita akan melakukan hands on lagi pada sebuah activity.
berubah T2 small.
Activity berjudul AWS Elastic Beanstalk. Kita start dulu labnya ya sambil menunggu labnya berjalan. Kita lihat dulu lab overview. This activity provides you with an Amazon Web Service AWS account where an AWS Elastic Beanstalk environment has been pre-created for you. You will deploy code to it and observe the AWS resource that make up the Elastic Beanstalk environment. At duration, this activity takes approximately 30 minutes to complete. AWS service restriction. Oke, ini restrictionnya. Kita masuk ke accessing the AWS Management Console.
Dulu ya.
At the top of this instruction, choose Start Lab. To connect the AWS Management Console, choose the AWS link in the afternoon corner. Oh, berarti belum ya, masih hijau. Ini masih.
Ini lah ya.
Nah, kita masuk getting credit for your work. At the end of this lab, you will be instructed to submit the lab to receive a score based on your progress. If describe the text you work may only award point if you name resource and set configuration as specific. In particular, value in this instruction that appear in this format should answer exactly as documented. Okay, sensitive. Task 1. Access the Elastic Beanstalk environment. In the console, in the search box to the right of the service, search for the choose Elastic Beanstalk.
Kita lanjut untuk melakukan monitoring
Elastic Beanstalk. Page title environment should be open. Ya, kita tunggu dulu ya sambil kita baca-baca dulu sampai servernya ini berubah menjadi sampai AWS Management Console ini berubah menjadi hijau. Kita baca-baca aja dulu. Page title environment should open and it should show a table that lists the detail for an existing Elastic Beanstalk application. Note, if the status in the health column is not okay, it has not finished starting yet. Wait a few moments and it should change to okay. Under environment name column, choose the name of the environment. The dashboard page for your Elastic Beanstalk environment open. Notice that the page shows that the health of your application is okay. The Elastic Beanstalk environment is ready to host an application. However, it does not yet have running code. Test access to the environment. Near the top of the page, choose the domain link. The URL ends in elasticbeanstalk.com. When you choose the URL, a new browser tab opens. However, you should see that it displays an HTTP status 4.0 not found message. This behavior is expected because this application server does have an application running on it yet. Return to the Elastic Beanstalk console. In the next step, you will deploy code in your Elastic Beanstalk environment. Getting ready for the road. Nah, sudah mulai, kita masuk. Nah, lompat lagi, kita keluar lagi, kita masuk lagi. Oke, kita sudah masuk ke AWS Management Access, Management Console. Kita diminta untuk mencari Elastic Beanstalk.
Aja. Aja nggak sih?
Aduh, salah. Kita masuk ke Elastic Beanstalk. Kita masuk lalu masuk bos. Wait a few moments and it switches to okay. Okay. Waduh. Tadi disimpan di mana ya? Wah, lupa lagi lah. Sudahlah. AWS Elastic Bean. Under the environment name column, choose the name of the environment. The dashboard page. Oke, kita lanjut. Under and volume. Oh. Mana ini? Domain. Oh ya, ini domain. Near of the top of the page use the domain link elasticbeanstalk.com.
Oke, di sini udah lumayan, udah
Apa?
lama lagi udah live. Sekarang
Ah ya, Mat. HTTP is not found.
dari service portal.
So this behavior is expected because this application server doesn't have an application running on it yet. Return the Elastic Beanstalk console. In the next step, you will deploy code in your elasticbeanstalk.com.
Kita masuk ke our service. Terus Amazon.
Return to the elasticbeanstalk.com. In the next step, you will deploy code in your Elastic Beanstalk environment. Task 2. Deploy a simple application to Elastic Beanstalk. To download a sample application, choose this link. Back in the Elastic Beanstalk dashboard, choose upload and deploy. Mana upload and deploy?
Define for the search for running on the link. But do not make a search instead of service contact number criteria.
Di sini balik ke
Ya.
Oh, benar ini. Nah, ini dia. Ini dia. Kita masuk upload and deploy. Choose file, navigation to and open the Tomcat zip file. Choose file. Save. Choose deploy. It will take a minute or two for Elastic Beans to update your environment and deploy the application. After the deployment is complete, choose the domain URL link, or if you still have a browser tab, then display the refresh the page. The web application that you deploy display. Congratulations, you have successfully deployed an application on Elastic Beanstalk. Back in the Elastic Beanstalk console, choose configuration in the pane. Back in the Elastic Beanstalk console, choose configuration in the
Then choose to change the protection. Terus nanti kita search lagi ya. Iya kan? Ubah motor nggak? Oh ya, ini belakangnya. Fail ya, fail. Nggak dikasih tadi.
Boleh komplain.
Karena kita harus dulu. Hah?
Oh. Back. Nah, kita coba kita refresh. Oke, berhasil. Congratulations.
Mat bapak kok suka cing?
Arci nggak ikut deh. Nggak ikut ya. Pulang ya.
Back to Alex. Nggak mau makan gua. Nggak mau makan. Nggak mau duit. Ayo nggak mau lah. Mau gua masak.
Ayo lagi.
Back in the elastic
mau
install
rematch.
console. Choose configuration.
Sekarang
Back pen.
akan berhasil ya.
Choose configuration. Ini configuration. Notice the detail here. For example, in the instant traffic scaling panel, it indicate the EC2 security group minimum, maximum, instant, and instant type detail of the Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud atau Amazon EC2 Elastic Compute Cloud instant that are hosting your web application in the network database and text panel. Service network database. In the network database and take.
Oke, di sini udah benar-benar stop. Sekarang kita coba commit.
Network and database and text panel.
Terus submit.
Nah, ini network and database. No option.
Kabar ya, masih bikin video. Kita tunggu ya, teman-teman. Submission recordnya.
Networking dan take row choose edit. Oh, choose edit. Note that you could easily enable a database to this environment. If you wanted to, you only need to set a few basic configuration and choose apply. However, for a purpose of this activity, you do not need to add a database. Choose cancel. Oh,
Sampai di rumah.
task 3, explore the AWS resource. Cancel. In the console, in the search box, service or choose AC2. Choose instance. Note that two instances that support your application are running. They both contain SAMP in their name. Nah, see, running.
Investor udah berapa juta?
If you want to continue exploring the Amazon EC2 service, resources that were created by Elastic, feel free to explore them. You will find a security group with port 19 open, a load balancer that both resources belong to, an auto scaling group that runs from 2 to 6 instances depending on your network.
Ayo deh. Kerja aktif di berapa ya?
Security storage, portnya, status alarmnya, instant reach cek password, auto ID bisa cek, detailnya, oke, mantap. Nah, copy password.
Jam segini
Yang mana dulu nih? Yang mana dulu?
Enggak ada orang.
Selesai semua dulu. Menggunakan bahasa
Submitting your work. Oke, kita submit. Yes. When prompted, just use. After a couple of minutes, the grade panel appears and show you how many points you earn for each task. Earn. To find detailed feedback about your work, choose submission report. If you for any check where you did not receive full point, there are sometimes helpful detail provided in submission report. Oke, sudah full ya nilainya. Activity complete. Congratulations, you have completed this activity. At the top of this page, choose and lab. Yes. And then the confident you want to end the activity, choose yes. The panel appears with the message that indicate delete has been deleted. You may close this. Close the panel to go to the corner and choose the X. Oke, mungkin cukup sekian hands on dari saya. Saya akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.